Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing the cable and any adapter. Do that now. You're checking the port for lint or damage because a stuck connection can trick the phone into showing USB status. Once done, unlock the phone and watch the notification shade while you go to settings so you catch the system notification channel. Make sure developer options aren't forcing a USB mode. If enabled, you'll address that next. This prepares both hardware and software for the next steps. You now remove the notification at the system level. Go to Settings, Apps, then use the menu to show System Apps and locate Android System or a named USB settings entry. Open its notifications and find the channel labeled USB, USB Connected, or USB Notifications, and toggle that channel off so the alert won't appear. If developer options are on and USB debugging is active, disable it or change default USB configuration to charging only. Doing this prevents the OS from re-triggering the notification. Finish by restarting the A04. A reboot clears the service that may be stuck reporting USB state. If the notification returns, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, uninstall any recent apps that request USB access. If it still persists, clear the system cache from recovery to remove corrupt temporary data, and only then consider a factory reset as a last resort. If problems continue after reset, make sure the port hardware is physically inspected or contact service. A persistent signal can indicate hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.